This is the second largest Starbucks in the Philippines. So as of now, the biggest is the Hiraya branch in Tagaytay. Pero balik tayo sa second largest SB ng Pinas. Walang iba kundi ang Starbucks mga kapagal. It can sit around 222 patrons. Nag-open ang branch na ito May 2017. Malawak, maluwang, may second floor, outdoor, at syempre, this is a very nice and Instagrammable place. Perfect na tambayan talaga. And take note, hindi lang tambayan. You can also bring your online work or study here without time limit. This branch also carry more merch than other Starbucks store. Dito mo rin mahanap ang forever ang limited edition ng mga tumblers. If you're in a rush naman and don't like to stay in the cafe, syempre, i-on the go mo na yan sa kanilang drive-thru. Available din sila sa Grab Food. To add up guys, malaki din nga palang parking space ng Starbucks mga kapagal. No smoking and no vaping lang sa kanilang outdoor space. No pets allowed din, syempre para sa kapakanan ng lahat ng customers. Peak time or rush hour dito guys, karaniwang nagsisimula na 9 PM hanggang 1 AM. Magbaon ng mahabang pasensya dahil sa pila pa lang, maririnig mo na sa brain mo ang Raining in Manila version ni Michael V. That's all for today's video guys. Stay safe and stay caffeinated.